Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. And to do this you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Here in the search enter Firefox, select it and press on install. After installation process is finished, you can open the app. Now choose your theme for the browser, pick a toolbar placement. You can also sign in to turn on synchronization, switch the privacy settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing and open a website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.